Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce use from group 6. We want to present recontext material. Introduce my friends. My name is Samsul Arifin and my friends.
My name is Arpandu Parel. My name Muhammad Iksan Pasela.
My name is Aulia Santi. My name is Sonia Zahra.
And my name is Kesia Putri Marlina.
What is recontext? Recontext is a type of English text that retells events or incidents in the past. The story can be in the form of an action or activity before someone writes the text without realizing it. We often tell about past experiences in everyday life.
Aurel, next.
Movers of the text.
Aurel muka Aurel. Muka.
One provide information to readers through exercise letters. 3. Reflecting on happening. 5. Document important explanation. 5. To the history.
Next.
Orientation. Kamu sadar nggak kalau sebagian besar teks akan diawali dengan orientation? Dalam bahasa Indonesia, artinya orientasi, alias pengenalan. Sudah pasti isi dari orientation adalah informasi mengenai tokoh atau karakter, lokasi, dan waktu kejadian. Example, a few years ago, I had the opportunity to go on a vacation to one of my dream countries, Turkey. I went here with my husband. We departed from Soekarno-Hatta Airport in Tangerang. We had a very long flight for around 12 hours by Turkish Airlines, and we landed at Istanbul Airport, Istanbul. 2. Series of event. Kamu familiar dengan kata event? Yes, event adalah kejadian. Sedangkan series berarti rangkaian. Dalam bagian ini, penulis akan menulis rangkaian mengenai peristiwa atau kejadian yang mereka alami. Dari inti recontext. Example, on the first day, due to exhaustion, we just stayed at a hotel near Hagia Sophia to rest. The next day, we left for Taksim to visit one of the popular destinations, Galata. We saw a lot of shopping centers and local authentic cafes. We visit one of the Malaysian restaurants and that I really wanted to visit in the Blue Mosque area. 3. Reorientation. Dalam pembuatan konteks, akhir dari sebuah cerita disebut reorientation. Pada bagian ini, penulis akan menuangkan rangkuman dan kesimpulan dari keseluruhan cerita sekaligus memberitahu endingnya, sad atau happy. Jika ada, author akan menambah kesan dan pesan untuk membaca. Contoh sederhana dari reorientation. I went to Turkey a few years ago was an experience I will never forget for the rest of my life. The bonus 2 weeks after arriving in Indonesia, God trusts us to have the joy. We think that having quality time with a partner is very important.
Next.
Weh, Samsul.
Baca Nduk.
Gue kan?
Hah?
Characteristic of recontext. Recontext has two main characteristics, namely 1. In recontext, there is no conflict in the story told by the author. In contrast to English narrative text, voice has conflict in its
structure. 2. 3 is always a chronological order of stories. 4 especially 3 are stories on the first day, the second day, and so on. Becung.
Next, San.
Language features of recontext. 1. Using simple past tense. 2. Using specific participant. 3. Using personal participant. 4. Using action verb. 5. Using linking verb. 6. Using chronological. 7. Using conjunction. 8. Using adverb. 9. Using adverbial phrase. 10. Using time connectivities and sequence connective.
Type of recontext. 1. Personal recontext. Personal recontext is a type of text that aims to tell about the writer's personal experience. Personal recon is the most common type that is often found in recon writing. Factual recontext. Have you ever heard of this type of text? Factual recontext is a story to present a report regarding events that occurred based on fact actually happened. 3. Imaginative recontext. Not only narrative text, recontext also has an imaginative type. Imaginative recon is a text that someone usually uses a story of imaginative event that someone experienced. For example, recontext tells the author experience regarding the imagination he had from a dream. 4. Historical recontext. Historical recontext is form of recontext was content tell historical events, is actions. This text is a historical story in English as but different in it from narrative. Next.
Example of story. A trip to the National Zoo and Aquarium. Yesterday, my family and I went to the National Zoo and Aquarium to visit the new snow crabs and the other animals. In the morning, when we got to the zoo and aquarium, there was a great big line. So we had to wait a while to get in. After we entered the zoo, we went straight to the enclosure for the snow crabs. My brother and I were so excited to see them. They were so cute and playful. At lunchtime, they decided to cook a barbecue. He cooked sausage, so we could have sausage sandwiches. My mom forgot the tomato sauce, so we had to eat them plain. In the afternoon, we visited the aquarium. My brother was excited to see the shark and the tropical fish. At the end of the day when we left, we were going to go and get ice cream, but we decided we were too tired, so we drove straight home. But of course, I was very happy.
Next. Example recontext in English. 1. Summer vacation in Bali. 2. My first time riding a bike. 3. Experience is an English debate competition. 4. An amazing journey to the summit of Everest. 5. When I meet my idol. 6. Valuable lesson from my first business failure. 7. First day of school in America. 8. Memorable moments at a rock music content. 9. Scuba diving experience in Raja Ampat Island. 10. A spiritual journey to Mecca for Hajj. Sekian presentasi dari kelompok kami. Thank you for attention. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.